Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. Sometimes you want to unsubscribe from all TikTokers at once. Today we will learn this in the video, so go into the application, go to your page and click following. As you can see, you can delete them one at a time as I did, but if you have a lot of subscriptions then it is more difficult to do this. So in order to do this, click in the upper right corner and go to settings, then scroll down and click report a problem. Scroll down and select submit a report. In this message we write, hello, I would like to remove all my subscriptions and unsubscribe from all at once. Please help me do this. Click submit. Technical support will review your message in the near future and will definitely solve your problem. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about TikTok at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.